What's up, guys? So if you want to take an awesome opportunity at a shot to win a brand new model, go ahead and join my membership program. Each month you'll enter a raffle in order to win one of these model boxes. There's a wide range of brand new kits that I'm selecting, but you're going to get an awesome brand new model kit. Also, you're going to get one of my stickers, a masking set, and some type of resin that comes with the kit. So make sure you sign up for one of these smaller ones. You're going to get the best bang for your buck. But if you wanted to choose a higher option, you're going to get a more expensive kit along with some stuff that comes with that kit. This is an awesome deal, so definitely don't want to miss out on this chance of becoming a member, supporting the channel, and getting a chance to win one of these great kits. There are two different types of model box options with your membership fee that comes in this raffle. So the smaller raffle is going to be a smaller model box. You're going to get a masking set and some type of 3D resin that comes with the kit and is supposed to go with that kit, as well as the model kit. So in that smaller option, you're going to get 3 things plus a sticker. And in the bigger option, you might get more resin that comes with a small kit, or just a better kit in general, like the P47 from Mini Art, or any other type of kit that you possibly couldn't even believe. So definitely enter the raffle, because chances are you're probably going to win in the next few months. But it's one way to support my channel and also get something back for supporting me. I appreciate every single view, and go ahead and sign up to my membership so you enter the chance to win the raffle every single month. Thanks again, and let's get back to building.